All right, viewers, we go across straight to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, where we are getting in visuals of the meeting. Very high-level security meeting after the Pahalgam terror attacks. The first time we see that the Prime Minister is meeting all three service chiefs, the tri-service chiefs. He has, of course, held meetings with the Defence Minister. This is the third meeting with Rajnath Singh, and as many as at least 2 days. And we also have the CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, who was also part of that meeting. They're discussing the preparedness and security scenario in Jammu and Kashmir. That is the breaking news that we have right now. We're getting in visuals of the same on your screens right now. Visual from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. And my colleague Riyanka is joining us live on the broadcast from outside the Prime Minister's residence. Well, the Defence Minister, of course, is at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, and a very important meeting ahead of the CCS tomorrow. And in fact, we are getting, I think Riyanka is also showing us more visuals from outside the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. I think there's some movement over there. We'll just go across to that. But meanwhile, I'll share you the details. If you just tuned in, viewers, this is a very high security meeting that's going on right now. And Riyanka is back with us. Riyanka, just tell me what's happening.
Well, Rakshita, there, as you had in fact mentioned, that there was some movement which happened outside the Prime Minister's residence. There was one of the cars that had come out of the Prime Minister's residence, but mostly it does not belong to somebody who was a part of the meeting, because as I can continue to see that Raksha Mantri's, cavalcade is continuing to station just across the road where I'm standing, and very likely the meeting is still underway. It is around 45 minutes to 1 hour now that the meeting is continuing. Where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is present, and this is in fact second or the third meeting that he is holding with the Prime Minister in back-to-back in 2 days, and it is an important meeting where there is an entire review happening of the security preparedness as well as the combat preparedness, because the three service chiefs are also present in this meeting, along with the Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, who is in fact briefing the Prime Minister about the preparations and the steps that are being taken in terms of how there is a security management in across the border, as well as the preparations that has been made by our defence forces in order, if there is a requirement for a huge combat surgical strike like situation that is of course seemingly on the card, given that the amount of meetings that are happening with each passing day. In fact, as I was mentioning earlier, there is a meeting that is going to be taking place tomorrow as well. Multiple meetings have been lined up tomorrow, starting from the CCS meeting, that is the Cabinet Committee on Security, which will be meeting for the second time post the attack, and many discussions will be done in that meeting, because all the tall leaders of the country are going to be present in that meeting as well. That includes the Defence Minister, it includes the Home Minister, it includes the Finance Minister, it includes other dignitaries that involves the secretaries from the defence, the home, as well as the finance. They will be present in that particular meeting, along with NSA Ajit Doval. This meeting is going to be happening for the second time tomorrow under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, followed by the CCS, followed by the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs will also be meeting, and then followed by the meeting of the entire Union Cabinet that will be sitting for the first time post the Pahalgam attack which had happened. And now the meeting, which is currently underway at the Prime Minister's residence, I was mentioning earlier, gives a very strong message that we are prepared for any combat action, and because the retaliation is something that is going to happen. Our country, our leadership will not let the blood of the people who had in fact died go in vain. There is going to be a revenge that will be taking in, because remember, NSA Ajit Doval, the person, the mastermind who was in fact behind taking the important decision of the Balakot strike, of the Uri surgical strike, he is still there at his position, and we know how he functions along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We know what kind of a decision that the duo take, along with the other top leadership who are of course the part of these meetings. And it is hopeful everybody in the entire nation, not just in India, in fact Pakistan is also keeping a very close eye on these crucial meetings that happen. But it is a message that is being sent very clear that we are not going to keep quiet. There is a strong retaliation which is going to be taking place. But as of now, we understand that this particular meeting is underway at Prime Minister's residence. More such meetings will be lined up for tomorrow. Many such meetings have happened in the past 1 week. In fact, every day there are several visits that are in fact seen at the MHA as well as at the MEA. Each and every day we are seeing these meetings, and more such coming away.
Yes, Priyanka. I mean, the pictures speak for themselves, and the pictures speak of a decisive leadership deliberating its options with a clear-cut mind as to what needs to be done and what has to be done with a certain deadline. Because remember, this is the timing is crucial. All these deliberations are taking place just hours before the Cabinet Committee on Security meets, which obviously is the final decision-making body when it comes to national security, and a decision expected tomorrow.